this is my payment receipt which I want to fill, and I want to create many payment receipt from a Excel database. Okay, so I will also open a database of, so this is my database in Excel sheet. Okay, so I want to select a table. So here in this sheet I want to select this table. So first what I will do, I will select this table like this way. Then I will name this table. So click on name a range. Okay, then it will ask you a table name range, so you can provide any name. Okay, and then you can click on okay. So here what I will do, I will provide name M4B. Okay, M4 then B. So like this way I will provide M4B, and then I will click on okay. Okay, so here this way this table has been selected, and its table name you can say like M4B. Okay, now what I will do, I will come to my payment receipt document in this file. So how I have created this payment receipt. So I want two payment receipt in one page. Okay, so what I will do, so here you can see that this is my parent table. Okay, then this is my child table. Okay, so parent table has two column. In first column there is one table, in second column there is nothing. Okay, so like this way this payment receipt has been created. And then what I need to do, I will go to mailings, then uh, I will select a list. So click on select recipients. I will click on use existing lists. Okay, then I will go to that Excel file, that Excel database where I have saved the Excel sheet. So here I will select this Excel sheet, click on open. Okay, so now it is asking to select that table. Okay, so as I told you, I have saved that table with the name M4B. So this is my table M4B. I will click on OK. Okay, now it has selected that table. So from that table record will be selected, and data will come here. So what I need to do, so here I have already provided this type of thing: date, name, guardian. This is column name. Okay, so here date, name, guardian name, payment, other field, monthly, weekly, total date. So these are the column name. So I have provided like this way: date, name, guardian, roll number. So the value which will be replaced is coming under bracket like this way. Okay, if you if you put cursor here. Okay, and then if you will click on it here, you can, if you click on other fees, then it will come like this way, other fees. Okay, so wherever you will provide cursor, and you will come here and you can select anything from here, then that code, like this code will be created. Okay, so now this part has been done already. I'm not going to do this again. Okay, and then I need to click on start merge, mail merge. I will click on labels. Now I want to divide this page into two parts, so that's why it is already written half letter, so it's fine. Means page has been divided into two, so I will click on cancel. Okay, like this way. And then what I need to do, I need to click on update labels. So when I will click on update labels, so in the parent table one second column was empty, but now what happened, the second column has also filled with filled like the same way as it is filled on first column. So like that, but here you can see that next record is written like this way. So don't bother regarding these things. So it will be created payment receipt by default in the same way as it is looking like in the first column. So no need to worry regarding these things, regarding this next record. Okay. Now I want to see preview results, so I will click on previous preview result. So you can see that now it's looking very fine. So the first roll number is here, second roll number is here. Okay. And then I will click on finish and merge, click on individual documents. So I want to fetch all records from that table range. Okay, so that's why I have selected all. If you want to select a particular range from this page to, from this record number to this record number, then you can also select like that way. But I want all records, so I will click on all, click on OK. So here it has created all the receipts. Okay, so if you remember, it starts from one Gulshan Kumar. So in the table you can see the one Gulshan Kumar Bambam Yadav 2025 is total payment receipt. So 2025. Okay. So like this way, all records, all payment receipt has been prepared. Okay. In the last, it come as blank because the record was in even number. So 41 record is last record. Okay. So here if you come here, 41 is last record. Ayush Kumar. So Ayush Kumar is last record. So in this way we can prepare a payment receipt of multiple persons. Thanks. Bye.